Every Tuesday, you can get yourself a copy of our newspaper, iDiskiTV, for absolutely free. Every shop right in the Gauteng province, you just go there, get yourself the paper. And on Fridays, the paper will be available across the nation on our website, iDiskiTimes.co.za. iDiskiTV, powered by World Sports Betting. Welcome to your weekend. It's been a very, very difficult week for me personally. If you guys didn't get flu, you would be very, very your immune systems will be very strong. A week of CAF Champions League, so many other things as well, but we'll keep it simple and look here at home. What's strange is that Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates they don't look like, they are occupying the same slot with the same number of points, same number of wins, same number of losses, same number of draws. But it's always felt like one was doing better than the other. Richards Bay are taking on Orlando Pirates. We'll be covering that at 8 p.m. on Saturday tomorrow. What do you think about that game? We watched Richards Bay, Zulu, but they eventually scored on the last minute against Amazulu. What do you make of that game?
Mr. Mfethu. Angibulise wena Mfethu, ngibulise Justice, ngibulise Tricky, ngibulise Junior. Ngibulise namakhaya. Then support njalo la iDiskiTV. Ngizobe nje njalo ngichiki futhi. Bese ngiyo labantu laba benza enye into man. Utrucha akekho namhlanje lapha na kuSuthu. Laba fana be Richards Bay by problem. Engathi bazoyenza nomuhina yabe le problem lapha endlile eminyama. Akuboni kahle. Mr. Ngiyo you're gonna play known players. Why it unknown and known players is because one of their players he was representing Bafana. Yeah, the left back, the boy played very well, and I like the boy. And there's also another boy, I think he's 19, he's playing the midfield, attacking midfielder on the right. That's also a very good player that Paris they just need to be very careful. Especially the way Paris are playing, you get confused, Mr. Kyo. I don't know. Uguti. Pirates, it's like ngati. Bafana ne weather. You'll wake up today, ku cloudy, ku sharp, 9 kumnandi hayi. Uyavuka ngakusasa nalilanga likuhlelela ekhanda lana hey. Akhona uphefumula akhona understand ukuthi actually what are they trying to do, because I thought against Sundowns they did very well. They didn't win. Yes, no. They didn't win. Why I'm saying they did very well, playing against a team that is got, I would say, all the stars. Sundowns have got bega ayike machine abangenayo lapha. It's up to them.
Why does it feel like you've said this and I've said what I've just said now? It feels like a deja vu. Like I've said to you they didn't win, and you've said it's justification at least because they were playing against stars. But anyways, when you were saying Bafana ne weather, ngakhumbula ukuthi kunengoma ethi sometimes red, sometimes orange, sometimes green.
Trumpis sometimes red, sometimes green, yeah, orange. Iba kanjalo, but I thought Mr. Nkewu game yes Sundowns it's an eye opener to everyone that supports Pirates and us as we're working as analysts. Now Pirates they just turn a corner in a good direction, because playing against Sundowns and play a draw. Sundowns have got all the best players, and with whatever little that Pirates they do have, but they've managed. So the second game now, you watch them playing, you're like, is it the very same Pirates? Or no, it is checking much number, maybe checking my players. Maybe that's another team, or because against this Kukune, I can't take away the win is Kukune and the hard work that the boys and the technical team is Kukune they put in that game. But coming from the game of Sundowns and then the way they've played against Kukune, I was very disappointed.
Score prediction?
I know. I think I'll give it to Paris. Paris will win the game.
Right, Richards Bay Orlando Pirates win for Tso Vilakazi. That's where you put your money on was betting. If you want to follow his prediction as well. Last one, so Kaizer Chiefs and Stellenbosch. The last time they played, there was a stampede, the stadium. They had to change that stadium. Sometimes Sfunda Ngamava, we will learn through experiences. I don't know how many experiences you need to know that Kaizer Chiefs is the biggest team in the country. And you can't put them in a 5,000 seater or 10,000 seater sometimes, especially in my province, the Western Cape. But be that as it may, they've changed now. It's going to a bigger stadium. What is your expectation of that game? Oh, Steve Barker, well done, congratulations. 3-year extension or 2-year extension. Your contract here, okay. He's been doing an excellent job there in Stellenbosch.
Coach, well done. We can see your job. You're doing very well. And at some point, I'll be honest, Mr. Nkiwe, at some point, I was starting to write him off in terms of the progress of football in our country and the coaching style. Yeah, okay. I was just starting to doubt him and write her off as a coach. He doesn't have plan B, plan C, plan D, and plan E. And while I was still thinking of that, and then here he is, he's doing very well. And something is happening behind the scenes. Yeah. And whatever that is happening behind the scenes, you know, he's doing very well. Well done, coach. You deserve to get that contract, even 5 years, and I will give it to you. Yeah, I mean, if you can play a 17-year-old boy up from class and go and play against the Chiefs, wow, who can do that? You know, it's something that it used to happen maybe a decade ago or 2 decades ago. Yeah, it used to happen, but yeah, here you are. You just show us with these boys, they can come in these big stages and they can deliver. And yeah.
Sunday?
Mr. Nkiwe, I think I'm parting I course lam nalo matota. Only experience will win it for Chiefs. Other than that, Bachandas ukuthi Judas angangena Judas akuphelile. I'll give it to Stellenbosch. Mr. Nkiwe, I can be a draw.
Okay.
Yeah, I can be a draw. I give it to, yeah, it can be 1-1. Yeah, it can be 1-1, 0-0. I don't see any team scoring 2 goals.
Okay. Kule game yokugcina being a stampede. I think it was 1-1 and then it went to penalties. So I wouldn't be surprised too, but we shall see. We saw Kaizer Chiefs actually being very dominant. Stellenbosch now a bit dominant. I think they won 3-0 midweek. The Chiefs were a bit dominant in the first half, and then all of a sudden, the Swallows, for some reason, in the second half, started picking up. They almost scored the second goal. But we'll see a contest at 3:30. We'll be covering that game. iDiskiTV, iDiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.